Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument as lower time frame price action showing significant reversal pattern has formed. So before we look at how we can trade in this instrument, let's first quickly look at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart as usual to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that XAU USD is long-term bull market. We have seen that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, and from that inverted head and shoulder there is a breakout with this impulse, and we can see there is a narrow pullback, and the market we can see again is in another impulsive phase. Now this is the current monthly candle, where we can see that the price from this monthly resistance line, we have seen initial breakdown, which is what I think that was a deeper pullback, and the price again reverting back to the upside. Now if we take our Fibonacci from this level to the end of the move, we can see the market in fact from this Fibonacci perspective reach that 50% Fibonacci level, and then there is a breakout from that zone. So with that breakout, currently the price we have seen narrow consolidation on the lower time frame bouncing back to the upside, and we could see that XAUUSD ultimately breaking that level. So dropping down to the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly bullish candle here previous week, followed by this week after break of this high, we can see there was a breakdown here from the weekly. Now this week we can see after a consolidation the market again slowly returning back to its original major direction. Now what I think that XAUUSD may continue to rise in the direction, we could see that the price ultimately hitting the weekly resistance before moving back another drop in that market. Now if we look at the daily chart, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is the daily price action, where what I see that on the daily the market structure is significantly bullish at the moment in that zone. If you look at the previous daily candle, we can see that there is a narrow doji formation. This is the daily doji, and from the daily doji after this gap opened, the price managed to break out. Now with that breakout, we can see the market showing significant bullish pattern, and I think that it may continue to rise at least to the weekly resistance. Now if we look at this daily move and considering Fibonacci perspective, we can expect at least 50% to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement on XAUUSD. Now looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that the market structure from here forms series of higher low, and it's now penetrating to the upside, as this is an important liquidity zone. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, if we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see that there is a liquidity gap here, and I will also be looking at the 30 minutes, and according to our TF indicator, we can see back to back two important candlestick pattern that is showing significant bullish momentum in that area. So as we are on a trade in this level for this upside bias, I will be looking for further entry opportunity as soon as we'll see that XAUUSD has broken any of this important liquidity zone. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, I hope that you enjoyed this very important free education and analysis. If you enjoy, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.